One of the things that clients love about working with us is how fast we are. It means they get to move into their new homes quicker, entertain and host guests in amazing spaces like this faster, and just get back to their regular routines in a couple of days. We deliver a really fast experience for clients by doing a lot of our work ahead of time. So during our consultation, we'll walk through your space with you and take measurements, but then we'll go back and we'll actually build it into a 3D model so that you can see exactly what your new space will look like, what organizing products we're going to use, and all of that. We bring everything we need with us on site so that when we are unpacking and organizing, it only takes a couple of days to get an entire home set up. Our unpacking and organizing services mean that your home will be not only beautiful, but also functional and thoughtfully arranged from day one. If you're looking for a similar stress-free move-in experience, who isn't, then give us a call and see what we can do for you.